Welcome to Malaga, Spain, a vibrant city on the southern coast of the Iberian Peninsula, known for its rich history, stunning beaches, and vibrant culture. In this video, we'll be taking you on a journey through the best that Malaga has to offer, from its historic landmarks and museums, to its bustling port and vibrant nightlife. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. You can also click the Spain Places playlist link in the description below to learn more about this amazing country. Our journey begins at the Malaga port, one of the busiest and most picturesque harbors on the Mediterranean coast. Take a stroll along the promenade and enjoy the fresh sea breeze, while admiring the yachts and fishing boats that dock here. From the port, we'll explore some of the city's most iconic landmarks, starting with the Malaga Cathedral. Malaga Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of the Incarnation, is one of the most impressive landmarks in the city. The cathedral is a stunning example of Spanish Renaissance architecture, and its construction spanned over 2 centuries. The cathedral was built on the site of a former mosque, and construction began in the 16th century under the patronage of King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. However, the cathedral was not completed until the 18th century due to financial difficulties and other challenges. The exterior of the cathedral is adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures, and the 2 imposing bell towers are visible from all over the city. The main entrance is an ornate masterpiece, featuring a sculpture of the Immaculate Conception and other intricate details. Next, we'll visit the Alcazaba, a Moorish fortress and palace built in the 11th century. This impressive structure offers stunning views of the city and the sea and is a must-visit for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike. Visitors can explore the castle's many rooms and courtyards, which are filled with beautiful gardens, fountains, and even a small pond. The palace's walls are adorned with beautiful tile work and intricate carvings, and there are many examples of Islamic calligraphy and art throughout the fortress. One of the most impressive features of the Alcazaba is the Torre del Homenage, the tallest tower in the fortress. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower to enjoy panoramic views over the city and the Mediterranean Sea. From the Alcazaba, we'll make our way to the Plaza De Toros, also known as the Malaga Bullring, is an iconic landmark in the city in one of the oldest bullfighting arenas in Spain. The bullring was built in the mid-19th century and can seat up to 14,000 spectators. The bullring is a stunning example of neoclassical architecture, with its grand facade, imposing arches, and intricate carvings. The interior is just as impressive, with a large circular arena surrounded by tiered seating and ornate balconies. No trip to Malaga is complete without a visit to its famous beaches, where visitors can enjoy the crystal-clear waters and warm Mediterranean sunshine. La Malagueta is one of the most popular beaches in the city, with plenty of restaurants and bars nearby to grab a bite or a refreshing drink. For a quieter and more secluded beach experience, head to Playa de la Caleta, located just outside the city center. The Episcopal Palace in Malaga is an impressive building located in the heart of the city. It was originally built in the 18th century as a residence for the Bishop of Malaga, and it remains an important symbol of the city's religious and cultural heritage. The palace is a beautiful example of Baroque architecture, with its ornate facade, grand entrance, and intricate details. The interior of the palace is just as impressive, with beautiful frescoes, paintings, and sculptures adorning the walls and ceilings. La Farola de Málaga is a historic lighthouse. La Farola de Málaga is a historic lighthouse located at the entrance of the port of Malaga. It was built in the 19th century to guide ships safely into the harbor and is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city. The lighthouse was designed by Joaquin Maria Puri, who was inspired by the iconic Pharos Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The design features a tall tower with a lantern room at the top, which emits a bright light to guide ships at night. La Farola de Málaga is not only a functional lighthouse, but also a work of art. The best time to visit Malaga is during the summer months, when the city comes alive with festivals and events, and the beaches are filled with locals and tourists alike. However, if you prefer a quieter experience, consider visiting in the spring or fall, when the weather is still pleasant and the crowds are thinner. Whether you're looking for history, culture, or just a relaxing beach vacation, Malaga has something for everyone. From its bustling port to its stunning cathedrals and beaches, this vibrant Spanish city is a must-visit destination. We hope that this guide has given you a glimpse into the beauty and excitement of Malaga, and that it inspires you to plan your own trip to this incredible destination. Hope this list helps you organize the perfect trip to Malaga. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.